Hi, Dr. Cranky's here again. Hey, we've shown you how to take wheels off with bolts on them, but now we're going to show you how to do quick releases. So if you look down here, you can see that this one has a quick release through the middle, so you don't have to use a spanner to get the wheels off. It's much easier. So if you come in close, I'll show you how to take these off. Look down here, here's the front wheel again. First we need to take that brake off, so remember we hold the bracket and pull the noodle back, and then down here on the quick release, if you come around this side, you see that's in the closed position and that's in the open position. But even when it's open it won't come off, alright? We still have to spin it off. So we hold this side, and then on this side, on the other side, if you come around this side, alright, you have to do this anti-clockwise. So I do 5 or 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then it should pop out. Okay, and then when you put it back on, you do the reverse. So if you come in here, and now that you've counted how many spins, you hold this side, and how many was it? 6, wasn't it? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then that goes up. And that should be like closing a jar or something. It's firm but not really hard. And then we redo this. So that's the front wheel. Put that back on. The rear wheel is a bit more tricky. So you can see this has got a derailleur on it. What you want to do is click this and be in the smallest cog. See that small one down there? Can you see that down there? Yep. Again, this one you don't have to wind off. So on this side, if you come around this side, we release this. Yep. And this will just pop out. Oh, we forgot the brakes. So release the brakes up here. Yep. And then if I pull this up, the whole thing should pop out. Okay? And then it's a bit tricky and the chain comes out. Now to put it in is a bit harder. You have to loop that bottom bit of chain, right, and pull it down. So there's a bit on the bottom. Alright? And you get to this point here, and you might have to get your hands dirty. But see, I'm putting the chain on the smallest cog. I'm just resting it on the smallest cog, and then it should go down. And so we've rested it on top of that, the smallest cog, and sometimes it doesn't fall in because the brakes get in the way, and we have to come back here and it drops in. See, it's dropped in here, and on this side it's dropped in. Yep. And then when we tighten that back up, check it spins. Yep. And we put the brakes back on. And what I always do when I've done the brakes, or change the, I always check the brakes are working. Alright, brakes are both working. So then we're done. Taking them on and off. Done.